Hello friends, I am preparing this video to show you the power of Power Query. Do you understand that HLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, index match, then sum if, count if, all those are no longer considered as advanced Excel. Nowadays, advanced Excel consists of Power Query, Power Pivot, DAX, Power Map, Power View, XLOOKUP. All these things are considered as advanced now. HLOOKUP, VLOOKUP are no longer considered as advanced. So I am preparing this video to show you the real power or amazing feature of Excel, your own Excel. Yes, this is Excel only. I'm not teaching you anything outside Excel here. This is everything is available in Excel itself, and the power of new features, the Power Query, Power Pivot, DAX, data analytics expressions, I'm going to show you. So through this small video, I'm going to demonstrate a real power of Power Query. Okay, so let's get started. I have this file which has around 735,000 rows. So it is almost a quarter to million rows in this file, and I'm sure most of you must have encountered with this problem. Whenever you take a dump of your data from an ERP software, most of the times the dump comes in this format. See, now this is just a product master of any retail or maybe fashion company, and this product master consists of 6 columns: product type, product category, product subcategory, manufacturer, product code, and product name. So here product code and product name are unique values, but all other values are repeating, and they have sorted this data in this fashion: first product type, then product category, then inside that subcategory, then manufacturer, and then product code and product name. But we cannot use this file, or we cannot use this data as it is in any of our analysis. For that we need to fill up all these blank rows, all these blank cells we need to fill up. Like, we need to copy these accessories from here to here, then we need to copy hair from here to here, both of these from here to here, then Philon from here to here, then Nova from here to here, then others from here to here, like this we need to fill up all this. See, appliances from here to here. But to do it manually, it takes lot of time. But still, I'm going to show you how we used to, and you used to do it, and how you will never do it again, in which way. Okay, so I'm showing you the traditional way, and I'm going to start the timer for this purpose, so we can compare the time taken by traditional way and the new using Power Query. So I'm just starting the stopwatch here. Started. So earlier what we used to do is, we used to select the whole data, then go to Control G, pressing Control G, special blanks, right? So now all the blanks will get selected. See how much time it takes. This is just on row number 44, 49, 50. We need to reach till row number 735,000. I'll just bring the stopwatch here. 35 seconds. It's still counting. Row numbers 80, 80,000, 82,000. Okay. It will go down. 48 seconds. It's still counting. It's going down. It's selecting all the blank cells one by one. It has reached 1 lakh rows or 100,000 rows now. It will take more time to reach up till that level. What I'll do is, I will record everything, but while publishing the video, I'll just forward the video a little bit to reduce the length of the video. But while doing this, as of now I'm recording the full length video. Okay, so I'm just forwarding the video. Guys, the wait is about to end now. So the go to function has selected almost 728,000 rows. our total rows are 735,000. So it's about to complete now. 732, 34, 735. Okay, so now see, within 15 minutes, 15 and a half, still counting, it has selected the rows, blank rows. See, almost for 16 minutes it has selected all the blank cells. Now I need to click equal to, select the cell, one cell above, and press Ctrl Enter. So it will paste the same formula in all the blank cells. Ctrl Enter. Okay, now again it will take some time. See, our total time is still counting. It will again take some time. So almost 16 minutes to select the blank cells. Now we'll see how many minutes for to copy the formula. Okay, it completed very quickly. And then we need to paste special. Okay, we have copied all the cells down. Now I need to select this, Ctrl C, and paste special values. Okay. Okay, so this is done now. So it took almost 17 minutes. 17, see, 17 minutes it took. And now I will show you. I'll just save the file. Now I'll show you, after saving, I'll show you how much time it takes with the help of Power Query, and you will be amazed to know. So this is our old method. With the help of old method, and after spending 17 minutes, we have completed the task. Now I am resetting the timer. I am going to my new method. So in new method, again same data is there, and this time I am going to do this with the help of Power Query. Okay, so I am starting my stopwatch. Start. So to use the Power Query, firstly you need to select your whole data, select the data, and convert it into table by going to insert table and select my table has headers. Okay, so data is now converted into header, converted into table. Now go to data and get and transform. Go to get and transform, and here from table. So this data will be imported into Power Query. See, the screen has changed now. So this is Power Query editor. See, you can read Power Query editor, right? So the data has come here. See, these null values means these null values represent blank cells. Okay, so I am selecting all these four columns, and in transform I am selecting fill down. Okay, everything is filled, and now I am just going to home, close and load to, and I am loading this as a table to existing worksheet here, new method output, and okay. See, it's counting, loading data, 180,000 rows, 300, 400,000 rows, 500,000, 650, 735,000 rows. So this is done. So in new method, my new table has come, and it has taken me only almost 2 minutes. I am stopping. So 2 minutes compared with 17 minutes, my dear friends. See, my table is ready. Okay, with all the filled cells, exactly like we did in our old method. Okay, so this is the power. And this is just one example, my dear friends. This is just one example of Power Query. There are n number of ways in which you can use Power Query to reduce the time it takes to do normal tasks. It can replace your VBA codes. It can replace your complex array formulas. It can replace your VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, everything it will replace. It will replace everything. My dear friend, this is a disruptive technology. This is a breakthrough technology brought by Microsoft, and we all must make use of it. So please stay tuned with me, and I will share with you. I'm going to launch soon. I'm going to launch series of videos on Power Query, Power Pivot, and DAX. So please be with me to know more about it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.